police senpamna 3,183 crore 97 lakhs 49,000. Demand number 7 police kisisar 31st March 2007 fawada department asina sading tawgadawada gumba senpam ni sir. Police department Manipuri police department say mayam nadum throughout the country yamna singthanaba adugumba department amani adubu handaki lakhiba irang gi matungda akhoi police department sida mayam gi tonghanba yeng ama leiba hariba department asina lawriba thodang si sir yam pak chawna lawba adugu state sigi rule of the law of the country, law of the land, see in order, law and order, see in order tham naba ho nabada achauba daita loba adugumba department amani sir. Hoi chakhulakpagi matungina department asida tawgadabudi yamna lei adubu akhoi cash trap oiba Bharat Sarkar modernization gi chauna mateng panga so khoi state sidagi contribution resource khara watpadagi contribution tawba ngamdana awatpa kayam lairi adu origasu Bharat Sarkar gi mateng dagi akhoi modernization tawda akhoi gi science and technology gi upgrade tawda akhoi adum ningthi jana khara chatpa ngamjari sir. Department asida yamna ngaibadi sir akhoi sok lising amaga samapan ga humudraga ni thoi da koi full fledged state oiraga su akoi gi state ki oiba police manual police court lito Assam police manual gi makhada akoi si hojik police department si salai jari bunisa aduna akoi honorable chief minister lising makhada athu matamda akoi Manipur police manual ama Manipur police court ama akoi semna naba akoi yamna kana hona jari sir. Awaba thabak kaya ama tawragasu yamna hena singthabadi oidaba akhoi politician gumani sa police department si so afaba chama tawragasu phattaba asoy ama lakpada adum criticize tawba haija tare sa aduna masi yamna akhoina department sai ayhangna paijaragasu yamna hek thagat pasu yadaba adumba department am oiba sir. But aina khanjabada hojik phawda akhoina hoi target tawba akhoina expect tawba adumak yawdragasu adum ningthi jana dum chathariba dugumba akhoi department amani aiduna I thamjage masida cut motion thagat pirakba honorable members Sri K Megachandrana constructive oiba criticism suggestions masi phaningbadagi amuk hena aduga asoiba yawbasingdu chumthoknanaba aduga amuk hena department asida lairiba punamak singsibu pukning thawgatpinanaba thambiramba wafam singni haiduna I thamjage sir. Ahanbada census ki matangda sir. Census si 2001 gi census asu akhoi Supreme Court yo akhoi gi aduga hojik census se tawba matamda May ki tang 2023 dagi laibak thiba thodo ma thoi basina maram oiraga akhoi state government honorable chief minister gleching makhada akhoi leijariba party ke level dagi su sarkar ke level dagi su census asi leiriba prevailing law and order situation sida yam ningthi jana conduct tawba yaroi haibagi akhoi yamna kana ninajari amasung masi akhoi party ki level da akhoi yam kana akhoi honajari party ki level da akhoi committee kayama su semjaduna akhoi yam kana honajari haiduna masimdang ai thamjage masa haibi bedu akhoi gi mamang da thokriba Supreme Court phau yonari bedugumna yonadrna ba afaba suggestion amani haiduna thamjani sir. Mathangda illegal migrants. Illegal migrants, sir, akhoi khandok na nabagi committee semba horo. Khandok na nabagi committee semba horo re. Committee semba horo ba matungda irang silak padagi akhoi illegal migrants identify tawraga deport tawna akhoi honabada mapung yam phagi ba oide adu Bharat Sarkar na di akhoi da full cooperation akhoi da PB biometric geometric power logduna akhoi thabak hohalamnabani sir. Illegal migrants singsi khandokpada natana sangaktana naba akhoi border singsida security deploy ningthi jana tawi akhoi aduga strategic security measures kayam se koi lori hoji join mobile teams border area da permanent mobile check post kayama akhoi semgat pa hore aduga cordon and search operation kayama akhoi hoji chathari area domination patrol su khoi tawri flag march vulnerable area sing sida su khoi tawri masida arms miscreants illegal migrant khakna tana arms miscreants insurgent group sing aduga akhoi gi drugs asina sing asi akhoi control tawna na ba akhoi rom da sangak tra na ba laibak thibadi Mr. Speaker sir world ki drug cartel da akhoi gi Manipur si yaw ban khwai gi laibak thiba moiba masina tung da horok le ba akhoi gi generation sing si mangani haibadu khal lai haraga honorable chief minister na discussion tawda drug lo lon badi fare drug su fare but drug ki kingpin si kanano haibasing asi phau puthok ngam da si puthok ta ba yaroi puthok na ba kan honaga da bani haiduna yamna kanna honorable CM na so honabi rebani sir mathang da sir IDP singi masa heavy bado yam so mi sir subna ki sarkar khakta da inthok pi dana akhoi punamak collective responsibility all stakeholders in se khoi lawba mathau tai ha sir when law and order si pharakpa matam akhoi punamak chungsinaraba matam akhoi punamak bhap taminaraba matungda shanti la aba matung khakta da IDP singsi magi yumda tangdu laitana leiba ngamgadori bani aduna tab taragadi akhoi sarkar khakta inthok piba khakna yaro habasi yamna chumba adugumba wafam ni han thamjai khoina IDP singi the piri ba senpham asi matik chade haidna honorable member na habi bani sumi adobo akhoi gi sarkar sina IDP singsida piri basi whatever the resource the government have and additional resources Bharat Sarkar na akhoi da state sigi thokai da ba thodo ga si yanga pibi ba kaya aduna akhoina IDP singsida akhoina mateng pangjabani sir adubu amuk ke hena mateng pangna ba honorable chief minister na suna lauthok pi khebedoni akhoi yam kan hone jari sir akhoina support to khiba akhoina pithok khiba akhoina pithok raba sing adudi ex gratia compensation akhoina pijagre cash assistance pijagre direct benefit transfer da relief support on akhoi paisa su pijagre housing construction gi su akhoi paisa pijagre livelihood training na singba akhoi pigre entrepreneurship support startup ki makhada aduga agricultural assistance su akhoi piba haujagre sir aduna aina khanjaba matam da sir this is not enough it's true masi na hek mapung pharabra haibu de phaba na te sir akhoi si akhoi gi yum du da thugai gra yum du ningthi jana saraga du leijaba du ni sir adu khakta ne akhoi na mapung phaba oigadori basi haduna ai thamjani sir but the government is trying its ways to fulfill the desire of the IDPs recovery of arms akhoi si lut tawgiba arms sing se asidagi di akoina recover to busina hen masing yang je fawda but actually lut tawgiba arms sidi huji round about less than 1000 khatang ai re adu akhoi gi recover to bodi surrender to ko recover to bosi lut tawgiba arms ki masing si 6020 arms firearms adu manung da akhoi huji recover to ba hajata re sidi 7437 se akhoi recover to but still ngasa haibi bidu yam somi akhoi border area oiba vulnerable state ama oiba aduna porous border oiba porous border oiramina atopa country dagi illegal arms smuggling to ba yawe masi thingnana bagi damakta ne akhoi na hujik border fencing ma yam kana tawra is masida yamna nikthi jana akhoi border fencing si lor ko matam dadi aduga mafam da akhoi strategic point area sing sida akhoi high tech mayam sizinaragan masi tawba ngamgado mande but still akhoi leader of the house na so haibi re akhoi athu matam da home minister gi pawta amagi matungina lehuriba government gi akhoi arms khana dagi lakriba lawriba nongmai singsi fully recover tawgadabni haidana akhoi tawna ba yam kanna simasu akhoi honajari masina atop gi khutta tagra matungda akhoi law and order da kairakpa akhoi de shanti kairakpa sila kane haibi bedo yamna achumani akhoi note tawsinjare haidana ai thamjage sir mathangda akhoi gi no clear road map for restoration of peace haibi bani Mr. Speaker sir government si yam kana hona jabani under unified command sida regular meeting sing tawdana adagi unified command sigi makhada akhoi strategic operation group semdana adagi intelligence ki group ama semaga akhoi yam kana hona jari masina state ki lairiba police sing state ki forces sing siga army amasung central armed police force sing siga khoi khusam naraga khoi yam kana hona jari masina akhoi nakabandi mafam ayamada khoi amuk hena thamnaga akhoi santi si amuk hanjilakna ba akhoi yam kana hona jari from time to time ni thijana monitor tawra haraga akhoi security operation si yam kana akhoi hujik leptana tawri khoi paper da dum thengna birang mani khoi gi naharon khulai paiba phaba khulai pairi sing dizam hek to matam da khoi santi halakani haibagi sarkar gi yamna chet pathajaba ma leijabadu matungina akhoi operation mafam khuding makta khoi ayam ma tawjari area domination gi patrol sing tawri asina chingba duga anti extortion strategy ama aduga anti extortion cell amasu akhoi police headquarters da 2004 dagi establish tawraga makhoi singsi akhoi loina through makhoi telephonically toropasu atha pham dagi atopa outside the border dagi su toropa khotpa singsi yam kanna monitoring tawjari sir aduna akhoi hujiki ain panjagi anti extortion cell asigi akhoi gi free toll free complaint number amasu akhoi 24/7 operate tawra thamjai sir adui matakta akhoi thajanaba ama community puna maksingsi thajanaba ma leiraba kan khakta akhoi si shanti halakani haibagi sarkar gi wakanda akhoi confidence building measures kayama semi flag marches security patrols community engagement aduga community sing sida akhoi gi leiraba security sing na wari saba makhoi da fear psycho sing leiba sing adu khara hanthana bagi se akhoi yamna kanna hona jari adubu amukta thokidriba yamna laibak thiba thodo ama thokibisina maram oiraga akhoi community punamakta freely hekta chatpa khotpada athingba khara reservation khara adum akhoi huji phawda leiri haduna ai thamjage wafam khrasi thamjabaga loina sir wafam khrasi thamjabaga loina sir honorable chief minister in charge of finance na move to wiramba Demand number 7, police ki senpham 3,183 crore 97 lakhs 49,000 asi I passed the winner of Sargi through the house the Thamjari sir. Mathang the demand number 25, Youth Affairs and Sports. Senpham na 1,102 crore 14 lakhs 19,000. Asisu 31st March 2027 power the spend to godo badugumba sin ayamba masi salary aduga sanari sing the bagi incentives ayamba sida khoi hapsari sir to ngasai thambira makat motion da thambiba honorable khoi gi MLA Sri K Meghachandra Singh da thambiba point sing se akhoi gi Manipur si sir powerhouse of sports aduna maram oire haraga Sri Narendra Modi ji na India gi ahanba National Sports University se akhoi Manipur da pibi bani asisu on verge of completion this university and athu matam da khoi sangana na ba yam kana hona jari sir Manipur si sanabana amasung culture na akhoi gi lamdam asibo masakta ibani phaningba amuk hena phaningba akhoi gi leiriba per capita si ang matam da khoi na puthok jagre 19 Olympians akhoi puthok re ngasi pawa compare with other bigger states in young matam de akhoi na khwaidi number 1 adu bang ni sir akhoi pradhan mantri ji na akhoi da National Sports University am pibiri bas masida Arjun awardees Dhyan Chand awardees na singba kayama phangba akhoi da leigre aduna amuk ke hena phagana na ba ngasi di sports si Mr. Speaker sir science sports the yaw the yarak sports medicine yaw the yarak adigi sports equipment sing si so ngasai bi yam sum bane koi obsolete oiba koi sileris punna maglagi basi 1999 da 5th national games ki matam da lagi badunga to oiba aduna obsolete oiraba haidiba equipment sing si modernization to na bagi damakta 2023 ga ahan part akhoi na 23 crore gi Bharat Sarkar da akhoi equipment sing se replace tawna ba so that akhoi gi players sing se asi sing se gi magi haijabi punama utpa yana na ba internationally makoi si compete to matam da akhoi Bharat ki mai porok na ba akhoi lebak se gi amuk he na medal lo bangam na ba equipment sing se PBU haidna akhoi thajagi adubu irang lakhi bade akhoi madu pursue to da aduna ai hojik pursue to jagani sir asi amuk hanna keno to na ba akhoi phangna ba akhoi hona jagani and we need to modernize all the equipments and infrastructures but limited over resources na di akhoi da hector loina at one time da ayam asi akhoi na modernize to ngam da ba ye khar khadong cha da ba khar laibana ni sa dubu department asi phaning badagi suggest to bi bani haiduna ai lojai sir ngasa haibi ba kat motion da thambi ba one playground one village asi akhoi hausa haujaram ba identify to ba haujare hauraga 2023 gi sida akhoi visit to ba haurakan irang sila khiwa aduna we will continue this program sachi gi makha da su central government gi akhoi gi sports department gi makha da su ado state ki akhoi gi laijaba plan da gi so khoi hapaga akhoi continue to na ba akhoi to jagani na itam jage Subroto Cup ki ngasa hebi badu yam chumman akhoi si Subroto Cup ki si thana na ba trial am sang school sing sida trial am akhoi na tawba matam sida school gi laiba school sing si matang competition tawra dum lak paduna sahi gi ne ko competition tawra lai poho bu sida gi khara afabas amuk players am khallaga school am da mu option adu ngasai certificate am sang yes sida school du gi headmaster na natraga principal du na certificate am piba adu certificate he hojik lek pangpi de piba du na adadi yaur kan da yadre wa do khoi da le si akhoi gi ada yoboda yadaba si maram ani ne only not only under 17 but under 15 also akoi reject tawre ba thar ga su 17 so tha ki re aduga under 15 so thar ga su reject tawre kari gi reject tawri no hai kan da akoi ki TW3 gi protocol se masi mandatory oiba magi chahi si akoi sida lari si rims ka jenims ka ni ga da lei ri ba mafam sida lari sida sahi si akoi na bon sida yenga sahi si lepe ada hojiti science ascomatic chawphat khreba bon nataba atopa yana sing sida yenga muk sahi si lepe ada akoi sida bon sida yenga sahi si tharo matam da adagi dum kakhalakpa aduna akoi si qualify oidabani aduna thagidabani aduna aina appeal tawjaning sidi akoi asiguma problem sing si akoi sincerity ama akoi sports sing si kan chai taragadi akoi gi lariba guardian asu school authority na su akoi government na su akoi sincerity and honesty ma de akoi sangba sahi si minam ga saluragadi akoi de madugi facilities laitabani na akoi na disu main thaba ai oragadi hakta reject torpa adugumba leibaduna aina akoina thaba ngam hodabani haduna I thamjage aduna aina wafam kharasi sengdok chabag loina honorable Mr. Speaker sir ge through the ngasai koigi honorable CM in charge of finance na mupto wiramba 25 youth affairs and sports department ge senpham asi pass to bina na house thamjari thank you sir